Khan Academy, divide decimals, and we're working on the subtopic divide decimals by whole numbers visually. Divide. You may use the models shown to help find the quotient. So in this example, this block is one whole, and each individual block is 1/100th because there are 100 cubes shaded in here. So in this case, 0.88 divided by 2. So there are 88 cubes shaded in. So if you think about if we divide that in 2, what is half of that? It would be 44 hundredths. So 88 hundredths divided by 2 would be 44 hundredths. In this example, they're showing that here we have a total of 0.6, and we want to split that into 2 chunks. So here's one, and here's the other. So how big is each chunk? Well, 1, 2, 3. So each chunk is 0.3. 0.6 divided into 3. So here we have 6/10 shaded in. If I split that into 3, that would be one chunk, that would be another chunk, and that would be another chunk. So if I took that 0.6 and divided it into 3 different pieces, each piece would be 0.2. And here, decimal 60 divided by 5. So here's my decimal 60 or decimal 6, which are the same. Okay, 6/10 or 60 hundredths are the same. And I want to divide it into 5 parts. So 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. So how big is each part? So here I have decimal 1, which would be like decimal 10. So this would be decimal 11, decimal 12. So each part is decimal 12.